Hello YouTube, criticizing here again with another update on how to get Dixper working with Kick. So basically you go to Dixper's website, dixper.gg. It's a little thing that you can have your chat, interact with your streams, whatnot. Have a lot to do. It's not that hard to set up. You just download the Dixper from the website. Once you do that, here, let me open it up because I already got it downloaded. Dixper Studio. You get Dixper Studio up. This is what the interface would look like if I could actually drag it over here. There we go. You get your Dixper going. You want to go to streaming setup, game detection. I normally turn it on automatic. Sometimes on Dixper you do have to set it up manually depending on your game. Voice and audio, you want to set up your mic and your output device. Alerts, well, this one you drag and drop onto your OBS if you want to. You don't have to use this. Your purchase alert, this is one you probably want on your OBS. You just copy, put it as a browser source. Pretty sure everybody knows how to do that kind of stuff, right? Achievement alerts, you can put your achievements, the ones that you're close by, so your viewers can try to help you get partnered or with Dixper, because there is a partnership program with this. Global rankings, you could put that in there too. They do have widgets. They got like your Dixper-a-thon. If you got Stream Deck, they got the Stream Deck plugin. You can set up monthly goals on your Dixper to sell how many crates. You could do donor drives for charity funds with Dixper, guys. So it's a lot. There is Dixper on Twitch too. I found this on Twitch when I was on Twitch. So it's just something, you gotta set up your payment. Of course, you gotta use your PayPal or however you want to. You complete achievements, you get, right now I'm backup streamer, I'm not even an affiliate. My other one is partnered. So partnership, basically, so you get like this. You get 5 crate designs. If you get affiliate, you get a Discord affiliate role in their Discord. You get 80% revenue. As a streamer, you only get 70%. So I'm only getting 70. You get skills for sub widgets. They are working on Kick too. They're working with the Kick's API right now. So once Kick releases their full API, they will be bringing it full time, like these kind of skills for subs and stuff like that. So like you automatically gift them a crate when they sub, stuff like that. So Discord, I have talked to Dixper devs. They are working with Kick to get it fully going. If you get partnered, you get the some sneak peeks, you get partner events, customized skills for subs, you get a partner banner, you also get custom crate designs, Discord partner row, you get a multi-target goal, and 90% revenue. It's just little challenges like sell how many crates, have 50 different viewers use redeem skills, resist 250 skills. There's all this little stuff like that. Also with Dixper, to get partner really fast, if you use their referral program, it will help you get partner faster. That's how I mainly got partnered on the first time I used it. They do have a partner program, a referral program to get you faster. But yeah, I don't know what the Dixper factor. Oh, they have karaoke stuff. Forgot about that. But anyways, once you get it all downloaded, you get your streaming set up. Basically, it tells you how to do it. One thing you want to do is there is I think it's here. You set the prices up for the things too. So like your discounts, you can actually turn on discount days. Also, you pick your moderators and stuff like that. They could gift crates, stuff like that. Alert. Well, we already went over alerts, but explore. They got all kind of different categories. I advise like checking out. You know, make your own collection. Go through all of them. It's the best thing to do. Go through all of them. The marketplace collection's really good too. It's free, guys. It don't cost money, but it's what people actually made for themselves. A lot of different stuff in here. A lot of different jump scares if you want your chat to jump scare you. Mess with your game. Pop up anime. They got cartoon collections. I mean, they got a lot of different stuff. A lot of meme stuff. This even like so even with this they can like say you went to all collection, or there's like some of these games like let's just say Dead by Daylight's normally on here, but anyways, Dead by Daylight, it has where it blocks your skills and stuff like that, so it's really fun. It blocks like buttons. It'll turn your computer screen upside down. It's really fun, like I said, and it's just a fun way to interact with your chat and them to screw up your gameplay. Sometimes people get mad, but it is, you know, something rewarding for chat, I will say. No, I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that. But there is a bot. I just forget where. I think you have to set it up live, and when you launch options, I had to turn off the bot, the chat bot, or the Discord bot to get it to work on Twitch. That's all you have to do is get your the bot to turn off. I just forgot exactly where it's at, but I think once you hit start, use Dixper on a game, and then it'll find your game. That's basically all you gotta do. There is settings. No. They do have it on console and stuff like that too. You'll have to set up like your currency and stuff like that. Boom. Single PC. There you go. You choose your game. All that stuff. Trying to find out where I forgot where it was, but to make it work, all you gotta do is turn off the bot, because Dixper does not have a bot on Kick yet for their bot. So it'll keep, all it'll do is say these little errors up here in your alerts. It'll just say bot not detected error. That's all it'll do. So I mean, even if you don't find the bot place, it might actually be, no, not here. But anyways, that's all. If you find the bot, comment down below, let me know. But like I said, it's very fun, something unique to add to the viewers on Kit, because there's, like I said before in the blurt video, there's not a lot to do. They can buy it, craft it. Like say they get one of these they don't like, they could break it down and craft another. So I mean, there is different ones. This is something I do use. Just something like this. Sorry about that if that scared y'all, but yeah, that's something you could do to me on my stream. Catch me live on kick.com/criticizing. We will be seeing y'all live. I'm normally live 3 days a week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and Saturdays. It depends on what I got going on with the family. If y'all know me, y'all do know I got 2 kids, and sometimes the kids wreck the streaming schedule. So yeah, love y'all all. Like, share, and subscribe. Comment on the video what y'all think. And follow me on Kick. Thank y'all and have a nice day.